Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your science class. Our today's topic is birds. All birds reproduce by laying eggs, for example, pigeon, hen, eagle, etc. Most birds build nests to keep their eggs safe and warm. The parent bird sits on the eggs to keep them warm. This is because the young bird will only develop if the egg is kept warm, and embryo grows into a chick only when it is warm. This process is known as incubation. After some time, the hard shell breaks and the baby bird comes out of it, which is called hatching. The newborns often have no feathers on their bodies. The baby bird then grows into an adult. Now children, let's discuss about life cycle of a bird. Life cycle of a bird refers to the stages that a bird undergoes from being a baby to an adult. That's all for the day. Thank you.